Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you 18 birdies how to track shots. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To track shots in 18 birdies, what you need to do is first head over and open up your 18 birdies app, and then once you are here, what you need to do now is begin your game. Then once you begin the game, tap on the current hole you are playing, then tap on the plus to add shot and choose your club used, distance and lie type. Then save the shot by simply tapping on save and repeat for each shot. Then on your Apple Watch, what you need to do is open 18 birdies on your watch, then allow auto detection of shots. Then the watch detects shots based on movements. If needed, manually confirm or edit shot locations. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.